Hello friends, today let's see how to make kulambu. It's a versatile curry that goes very well with upma, pongal, rice. It goes well even with adai, like this vegetable adai I made. So first let's heat some oil and make a masala for this. 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon and black peppercorn 2 tablespoons. Stir on a low flame and add 8 red chillies. Stir again on a low flame until it is aromatic. Transfer to a mixer jar. At this stage, if you want, you can blend it to a dry powder. But I am going to add some hot water and blend to a paste because I am going to use up all the masala now. If you want to store it for future, then you can blend it to a powder and store. This paste blends very well with the kulambu. So here I am heating half cup sesame seed oil. Use only sesame seed oil. Add the manathakali vathal 1/4 cup and roast it. Keep it aside. Add 1/4 cup Sundakkai Vathal or turkey berry and roast it and keep it aside. And to the same oil add mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, red chilli, curry leaves and crystal hing. Crystal hing gives a very nice aroma to it. Now I am adding tamarind juice extracted from 2 lemon ball size tamarind, turmeric powder and salt. Let it boil 2 times. After it boils 2 times, add the paste that we made now. Mix it well and now let's add the berries or vathal. Mix again and add jaggery, 1.5 teaspoon. Mix it well, bring it to a boil, switch off the flame, add curry leaves and some fresh sesame seed oil. Done? That's it friends. Enjoy yummy kulambu. Thank you.